When it comes to getting on video, do you just feel awkward as See, most business owners, they think they're bad on camera simply because they're not confident. They say things like, I don't like the way I look, I don't like the way I sound, or this face, it's made for radio. So they avoid doing video altogether, or they do the opposite and they do 17 takes of the exact same line. And every single video that you don't post, well, your competitors just uploaded another one. And guess what? They're becoming more visible than you. Not better, more visible. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why being awkward on camera has nothing to do with confidence and how a simple framework can make you sound natural, confident, and actually enjoy doing these videos. My name is Mike Cuevas, your marketing dude, and I help people script, edit, distribute, and run ads to their videos so they can build a personal brand people know, like, trust, but most importantly, hire. See, the problem typically isn't the way people sound, talk, look. It's typically how they're doing video. Most people, when they think of doing a video, is they're suddenly gravitate towards selling their product or service. And selling is very difficult to do over time and consistently. You feel slimy, you ramble, you overthink every single word. And at the end of the day, you end up looking desperate. But the real reason too why that doesn't work is because if all you ever did was sell your product or service, you will eventually run out of things to say. And nobody wants to be on the end of another sales pitch. That doesn't mean you don't do videos, it just changes how you do videos and what you're talking about. The good news is that you never really need to sell anything in your video, but your videos should serve or offer value to the viewer. Let me explain. When you meet someone for the first time and they ask you a question about your business or your trade, you actually have to think about how to answer that. Like, are you like writing out a script and trying to figure out what you're going to say back to that potential lead or business opportunity? Well, you shouldn't have to think in your videos either. So here's what you do. Simply go over to ChatGPT and type into chat, hey chat, I want you to give me the top 10 problems or questions people have about my business. Obviously insert your business there, but ChatGPT is going to come back and give you a whole list of topics and video ideas to speak about. Now, the next question you're going to have though is, okay, well, how do I script these different video topics? And here's how you do it. You see, your videos should simply just follow the framework of a story, even if they are educational. And every story has a middle or an introduction, they have a body, and then they have an outro. Back when I was in 3rd, 4th grade, my teacher used to tell me, hey Mike, your paragraphs, your video needs to go like this. Introduction, paragraph 1 for the body, paragraph 2 for the body, paragraph 3 for the body, and then you have an outro. And that same framework is exactly what you could use for a video, but there's a couple adjustments. The first part of your video, or the most important, is going to be the hook. The hook needs to stop the viewer right in their scroll and tell them, hey, you really need to watch this video. Then the next part of your video is going to be the problem. You must immediately establish what the problem you're solving in that video so that the viewer will get some kind of value from it. But once you have that done, now you just need to explain or demonstrate your expertise. Tell people what they're doing wrong, why, if they keep doing what they're doing, it won't work, and then introduce your solution and your solution to what you should do next. It's actually the exact same framework I just did in this video. And then at the very end, you're going to have an outro. I'm going to do mine right now. If you're stuck wondering what to say or what to do on video, you don't need more leads, you just need more dudes. Your marketing dude will help you script, edit, and distribute your videos, or will show you how to do it. If you'd like to learn more, visit my website directly below this link. That wasn't that hard, was it?